What's going on, everybody? We are at Trenary Chevrolet, and we are going to show you how to use the automatic easy lift and lower tailgate on the 2019 models. So as you can see, it does have the Chevy bow tie logo on the ground here. So you simply wave your foot over that and it opens right up for you. Hands-free, a lot of convenience. To shut the tailgate, you do have the ability to use your key fob and push the button twice right here. You also can push the one button here, which does close the tailgate. Another cool feature is going to be the tailgate assist mode, where you can put it to full opening or just 3/4 of the way. So if you are in a garage or a tight space, it doesn't ding the garage door whenever it does open up. So it will stop before it gets all the way open. And that is how to operate the easy lift and lower hands-free liftgate on the 2019 Chevy models. To test drive or to come see any of the 2019s, you can visit any of our 3 locations in Union, Troy, or O'Fallon, Missouri, or go to our website, jimtrenary.com.